Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to do a quick Git tutorial on how to merge branches together. So in this scenario, say you're working off a test branch that's derived from the master branch, and you're making some changes, and then while you're making those changes, someone else is changing the master branch. So maybe they merge another branch into master. So now your branch and master don't align, and there might be some merge conflicts. So before you can create a pull request and have the approver go and actually merge your branch, you're going to have to resolve these conflicts. So you could do this locally. It might be a little bit easier. So in this case, I'll make some changes. So I'll just say steps to merge branches. Um, Here, I'll do one here. Creating a branch. So I'll just say steps to creating a branch. To execute the command. Git checkout -b and then branch name. Okay, so I made some changes here, and I'm not done, but I'm going to commit this. So I'll clear this out. So I'll do the status. I'll see what changed. So we modified the README file, and you can see we're currently on a test branch. I'm going to do git add, and I'll add the README. I'll do git commit. I'll say start adding new branch steps. Okay, so I added that. I committed my changes, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull down from master into my branch. So I'm going to attempt to merge all the changes from master into my test branch to make it up to date with master. So to do that, you could either do a git fetch to fetch the latest branches and changes and everything from your repository, and then after that you'd have to do a git merge and then like master. But you could do all that in one step by just doing a git pull origin master, which does both of the git fetch and the git merge all in one step. So I'll do that, and you'll see we got some merge conflicts here. So we could resolve these by, if you're in VS Code, you could use these little buttons here. So accept current change, accept incoming change, keep both of them, you can compare them. Or you can just clear them out yourself. So you can delete the one you don't want and keep the one you do want. So let's see which one we want to keep. So we can get rid of this one, and we'll keep this because it looks like there are updates to this one. So we didn't make any changes to, here are the steps to merge branches. So this like tutorial. So we can get rid of our changes and accept the incoming changes. So now we're all aligned with master, and we also resolved all conflicts. So this way when we create a pull request, the approver can just click merge and there shouldn't be any issues. So now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and do a git add readme, and then we could commit get this merge. So we say merge with master and resolve conflicts. Then we'll do git push origin test branch. And that's it. Now you can submit a pull request on this branch, and the approver can go and merge this branch without any conflicts. So thank you guys. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And feel free to also send me a message if you have any specific questions. Thank you.